Welcome back, people! Caught on DashCam has prepared another banger episode for your enjoyment. This time, you'll watch a lot of crazy and epic moments from the roads all over the world caught on Driver's DashCam. Without any further delay, let's jump right into today's episode. Pickup driver didn't think through when it comes to cutting off. He was way too late and his move completely backfired. I don't even know where to start when it comes to this situation here. The driver in front was totally confused and didn't know what to do, so he made the worst possible decision. Check this out.
Time to see the brakes, know that they're stopping, and
Lane discipline is really important. Unfortunately, a lot of drivers lack that, and we have situations like this one occur from time to time. Indicators and side mirrors are something you always have to pay attention at while driving. Without looking and indicating on time, you're bound to cause an accident.
Work that way. No, it didn't. It didn't work out for us. Yeah. Moving into this 9 o'clock hour. Motherfucker! The one thing that we have done a lot of today is
Some drivers think that parking lots are their own private property. At least they drive like they belong to them.
Both of them have both.
Another day and another episode comes to an end. Hopefully you enjoy watching this one, guys. And it would make me really happy if you managed to learn something as well. Make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button because it really helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, drive safe.